welcome. My name is Kavya K. Nair and I am a quality analyst here at CloudQ. In this video tutorial, we will cover Salesforce testing essential from a quality analyst perspective. I will be walking you through the key concept of Salesforce testing, the tools we use specifically, bot cage, assured hours, and live examples. So, let's start with introduction and daily workflow. Salesforce is a customer relationship management platform that helps business organize customer informations and automate their process. Testing in Salesforce is important to make sure everything works as expected so business operations continues without any issues or delays. And then next is about Scrum Call. Scrum Call means a quick team meeting where we discuss what been done and any challenges we are facing and the task of the day. Then, uh, then next is story review. Story review means we go through the user stories assigned to us to understand the requirements and start planning our testing approach. So next topic is about Salesforce testing. Salesforce testing is the process of validating the configuration, customization, and functionality of the Salesforce platform to ensure it meets business requirements. It involves both manual and automation testing method to verify that the system behaves as expected. Then we can go through type of Salesforce testing. The type of Salesforce testing is functional testing, UI testing, and regression testing, and UAT or user acceptance testing. First one is functional testing. It validates the functionality of a software application to ensure it behaves according to the defined requirement and specification. Then UI testing, user interface testing. It used to check how the software look and work when people use it. That is the UI testing. Then regression testing. It ensures that new update or changes does not break live functionality. Then another one is user acceptance testing. It involves end users verifying that the system support real world business scenarios, and it is the final stage where end user tests the system to confirm it meets their need of expectation. In right side here you can see the diagram. Unit testing, system testing, integration testing, performance testing, security testing, and acceptance testing. Then here are the tools we use. First one is bot cage. Bot cage, it is the test automation tool we use to run repetitive test cases automatically, save time and reducing manual effort. Then Azure Defer. It is a set of tools made by Microsoft that help team plan, build, test, and deliver software faster and better. Then Selenium. Selenium is a free tool and used to automating the what happened in a web browser. Then Google Meet or Microsoft Teams. It is used to talk and work together with the developers or other team members. Yeah. Then next topic is about test planning and execution. Here we can understand the requirement after stories are assigned. We carefully read and understand what need to be done. Then the testing. We create a test plan that includes everything we need to check, like how the system should work and how fast or secure it is and how it flows. Then we create test cases. So we create step-by-step test cases. Each test includes what input we give, what result we expect, and what actually happened. Then is about review and QA lead. We go over the test cases with the QA lead and get their approval. Then run the test. Here we perform the test in the live or testing environment. Then log bug. If something does not work as expected, we report it as a bug. The final one is recheck the after fixes. Once the developer fixes the bug, we test it again to make sure it is really fixed. Yeah. Then next topic is about collaboration and automation. When bugs are found, QA work with the developers to reproduce the issues and understand the root cause. And once bug is fixed, and QA revalidate the fixes to ensure that work correctly. If needed, automation is implemented based on the requirement. And for regression testing, QA automates scenarios based on UAT requirement using bot cages, and this helps save time for the UAT team. After automation is completed, QA share the test result with the UAT team for their review. Then, once automation execution is done, the results are provided again to the UAT team for the confirmation. Then, the automation with bot cage. Yeah, bot cage is an automation tool we use mainly for regression testing, especially for checking the end-to-end flow of applications. Then it allows us to run and schedule tests at any time, even outside of working hours. Botcage helps save time for the QA and UAT teams by automating repetitive testing tasks instead of doing them manually. And it is very useful during regression testing because it shows detailed step by step result with screenshot or even a live video recording, making it easy to review and track issues. Then, and the last topic is about final QA sign off. Here, after all issues are fixed and retested, the tester will prepare a final QA summary report, and this is report will cover the features are were tested and any bugs that were found and resolved and any issues that are still pending, the amount of testing done, any areas with potential risk, and a summary of all testing stages. Finally, QA will give the go ahead. It is the system is stable enough to be shown in this live demo. Yeah. Yeah, that conclude my section. I will hand over to Rasmi Mansur for the next further presentations. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Rasmi Mansur and I am quality analyst here at CloudQ. So let's start seeing the live demo about the bot gauge tool. So here it is a bot gauge tool. Here we can able to create new test cases from here. This is the name, URL, and we can able to select the modules and able to create new modules also and able to save and create new test cases. Let me show a example Salesforce demo. So here it is. So here you can see the screenshot before and after screenshots. So here are the test steps. So this is about opening a website like Salesforce website. So this is the before image and this will be the after image. And next is about entering the username. So the before image will be like this, entering the username, and after will be like this. And next is to enter the password. So before image will be like this and after will be like this. And next is to click on login button. So the before image will be like this and after will be like this. So it is logging to a Salesforce platform by clicking on login. So next is about click on lead. So before image will be like this and after will be like this. Maybe clicking on the lead. And next click on the name, add it. So here it is the before image and the after image will be like this. And next is about the click on details. So here it is the details. Here you can see the details. Next is about to click on converted. So the before image will be like this and after will be like this. Next, click on the selected converted status. So before image will be like this and after will be like this. So this is the converted lead. Here you can see the before and after image. So need to convert lead to account, contact and opportunity. So next is to click on cancel. After seeing the details, we have to click on the cancel button. So here it is before and after image. Next is we have to verify whether Arif Azad Arif is on screen. So this will be the before image and this will be the after image. So yeah, that's about Podgage. And let me show you about the Salesforce platform. So next is about Salesforce. Salesforce means it's a cloud-based software. Like Salesforce is a customer relationship management platform that helps business to organize customer information and automate their processes. So let me log into Salesforce account. So this is the Salesforce platform. Here you can see the home opportunities. We have seen lead in board gauge, and here you can see the tabs like home, opportunity, lead, tasks, files, accounts, contact, etc. And here you can see this is the front end page, and this will be set up from here. You can see the back end layer. Okay, so yeah. And here you can see the object manager. Here you can able to find the standard object, custom objects, and you can able to search from quick find. You can able to create a custom object from here. And yeah, let me show one example of custom object I have created. So this is a custom object that I had created. Here you can also see the tabs like file, field and relationship, page layout, validation rules, etc. And from here, we can be able to also see the app launcher options like service, marketing, CRM classic, community, Salesforce chatter, content, etc. Yeah, that's about Salesforce. And that's all about Salesforce testing. And thank you for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any queries. Thank you so much.